Hare Krishna. How do we express our love to Krishna? Today, we are going to discuss on this topic. And we are taking this topic, this concept from Bhagavad Gita's 1.23 shloka and 24 shloka. Hare Krishna. Srimad Bhagavad Gita 1.23. Yotsamanan avekshyeham ya etetra samagata dhartarashtrasya durbuddher yuddhe priya chikirshava. Yotsamanan avekshyeham ya ete atra samagata dhartarashtrasya durbuddher yuddhe priya chikirshava. Let me see those who have come here to fight, wishing to please the evil-minded son of Dhritarashtra. So this is the shloka. This is a continuation from the previous shloka 1.21 and 22, where Arjuna is speaking with Krishna, speaking something to Krishna. So Arjuna is saying that, hey, Achyuta, please drive the chariot and keep it in the middle of the two armies. Why? Because I want to see those who has come to fight, who want to please the evil-minded son of Dhritarashtra. Dhartarashtrasya durbuddher yuddhe priya chikirshava. So there are so many sons of Dhritarashtra. So among those so many sons, the most evil-minded one is Duryodhana. So to point out him, the Arjuna is saying that Dhartarashtrasya durbuddher. So Duryodhana, I'm talking about Duryodhana. So Duryodhana priya chikirshava. To please Duryodhana yuddhe, to please Duryodhana and to fight. Who has come? I want to see them. So that is what Arjuna's intention. Arjuna's reason for his request to keep the chariot, to drive the chariot and keep it in the middle of two battlefields, two armies. This is 1.23 shloka. So Arjuna wanted to see who has come to please Duryodhana, and also he wanted to observe the opponents who has come to along the side of Duryodhana and Kauravas. So that is 1.23, and let's go to 1.24. So this is the shloka spoken by Sanjaya. Now the camera goes back to Sanjaya. Zoom out. Sanjaya uvacha evamukto hrishikesho gudakeshena bharata senayorubhayor madhye stapayitva radhottamam. Sanjaya said, O descendant of Bharata, having thus been addressed by Arjuna, Lord Krishna drove the fine chariot in the midst of the armies of both parties. Now, Sanjaya is speaking this shloka, and he's saying that, hey, Dhritarashtra, Arjuna spoke these two shlokas. He expressed his desire, his request to Krishna, that he wanted the chariot to be kept in the middle of the two armies, and that is what Sri Krishna has done. He drove the fine chariot in the midst of the two armies. Now, there's one interesting point here. In this shloka, if you see, there are two words, two names. Hrishikesho Gudakeshena Bharata. Bharata means Dhritarashtra, who is a descendant of Bharata Vamsha, who came from Bharata Vamsha. And Gudakesha. Gudakesha, who is Gudakesha? Gudakesha is Arjuna. And who is Hrishikesha? Hrishikesha is Krishna. Krishna kept the chariot in the middle of two senas. Ubhayor madhye stapayitva radham. He kept the Radha in the middle of the two armies as requested by Gudakesha. Gudakesha means Arjuna. So what is the meaning of Gudakesha? We can see. Gudakesha means one who has conquered sleep. So what is this? When Arjuna is in his Gurukul and he's learning his archery skills from Dronacharya, an incident happened, and after that he got the name of Gudakesha. He conquered sleep, and you can also call it ignorance. He has conquered ignorance. Why he has conquered ignorance? Conquered ignorance means he came out of the ignorance. So why? Because Arjuna is a devotee of Krishna. He's a pure devotee. He loves Krishna so much. Because of that love towards Krishna, his ignorance is gone. So he is called Gudakesha in that sense. And there is another sense of the word Gudakesha is he conquered sleep. How is it that he conquered sleep? Is what we need to understand. Okay. So when Arjuna is in his Gurukul, when he's learning his archery skills, his military science from his teacher at his place, Dronacharya is teaching Arjuna the archery skills, and he's learning it day by day. And one day, at one night, it so happened that Arjuna is eating his dinner in a lamp, along with a lamp. There's a small diya beside which Arjuna is sitting because it's too dark. So he was using that lamp, and then he's taking his food. So when he is eating, suddenly, because of heavy wind, the lamp got off. The diya got off. Now there's no light, but still Arjuna continued eating it. Now, when he's eating, when he's still eating, when he's in darkness, then something interesting got stuck to his interesting idea got stuck to him. What is that? The idea is that if this darkness is not stopping me to eat my food, why will this darkness stop me from shooting arrows? This idea that Arjuna got, he immediately went out, he took his bow and arrows, and he started practicing shooting in darkness, shooting without any light. So it was very difficult task because you can't see the object, you can't see the target, but still you need to identify the object using the sounds the object makes, and there are a lot of things, and you don't even know where your target is present. So because of all these challenges, Archana faced a lot of difficulty while shooting in the darkness without opening his eyes, by closing his eyes. That means in darkness, he started learning the archery. And every day, when everyone was sleeping at the night time, even then, Archana started practicing the archery and the new skill that he wanted to develop. And it was a great challenge, and every day he got a lot of failures, and slowly he got the talent, he got that skill of shooting even in darkness. Even in darkness, Archana can easily shoot at the target by detecting the sound that target makes, and a lot of things, right, based on other factors. So this is a skill that Archana achieved. And why is Archana that much eager, that much enthusiastic to learn the archery? Why not any other student in Gurukul? They are not that. No one, along with Archana, tried shooting in darkness. Everyone was learning whatever Dronacharya was explaining and sharing. Everyone is learning that. But Archana outstanded everyone by being more enthusiastic and more eager to learn new things, learn new skills. Why is that? Because Arjuna is a devotee of Krishna. Now, Arjuna loves Krishna. So that doesn't mean that Arjuna started loving Krishna at one point of time when he met Krishna and then so on. No, Arjuna, right from his birth, he loves Krishna. Now, when Arjuna loves Krishna, Arjuna is very eager to please Krishna. Arjuna wanted to serve Krishna the best way. So how can we serve Krishna the best way? Arjuna wanted to use his skills to serve Krishna. Now there is a battle, and Krishna wanted Arjuna to fight the battle. And while this battle is going to happen, to please Krishna, Arjuna wanted to fight with full 100% enthusiasm and full 100% skills that he have. He want to give the best to Krishna. So his love towards Krishna is expressed by best serving Krishna. So the quote from this lesson, from this shloka, if I may say, is serving Krishna in the best possible way is an expression of devotion. So here Arjuna is mentioned, addressed as Gudakesha, who has conquered sleep. Now Arjuna has conquered sleep just to please Krishna. He learned archery even in darkness. He wanted to become an expert in archery so that he can use that archery skills in serving Krishna. By serving Krishna, he wanted to please Krishna. So for example, a very simple example everyone can resonate is that we see a lot of movies, a lot of love stories where the hero will do so many difficult, so many great tasks, challenging tasks, and finally he gets a small thing. For example, you can consider it as a flower or ring or anything that the heroine likes, and he goes through a lot of challenges just to please his lover, that is heroine. So when he goes through all of them, for example, when there is a villains teasing heroine, then he goes a lot of fighting scenes, and then everyone is being smashed like anything, and finally heroine is impressed. So some way or other, he wanted to show his love towards his loved girlfriend or heroine. So what is he doing? He want to do something to his lover. He want to show his love towards her. So that's why he's trying to best use all the skills he has, all the fighting skills, all the talking skills, all the speaking skills, and all the skills that he has. Everything he want to, the best version of him, the best version of his skills, everything he want to offer to heroine. So similarly, here devotees also, they want to best serve Krishna, best love Krishna. How do they love? How do they express their love? Arjuna has love towards Krishna. That is there. So when you say love, that means internally it will be there, externally also it will be there. You may say like, I love Amitabh Bachchan so much. Now Amitabh Bachchan is so much far away from me, but still I have love towards him. I may not talk to him, I may not give anything, I may not express him something, but still internally I have love towards Amitabh Bachchan. An example. So similarly, Arjuna's love towards Krishna is there. Internally, he loves Krishna so much, but externally also love is expressed. So Arjuna expressed his love by best serving Krishna. So if you want to express your love towards Krishna or devotees, then you can best possible way you can serve them. If you are given a small service, or if you voluntarily took some service, for example, I want to cook for my devotees. I want to cook bhoga for Krishna. I want to make a sweet for Krishna. You can make a sweet for Krishna, the best sweet you can make as per your skills. Or you can make the best dress for Krishna. See, just like Arjuna did. Whatever the skill you have, whatever the talent you have, you can improve on it. You can excel in the talent by showing the love towards Krishna. If you like coding, then you can make a nice website and offer it to Krishna, just for the service of Krishna. So in that way, there is no limitation. Whatever you have, whatever skills you have, you can excel in that skill just to show your love towards Krishna. In that way, you can grow spiritually and materially as well. So that is the lesson. Serving Krishna in the best possible way is an expression of devotion. Hare Krishna. Thank you so much. That is for this shloka. Tomorrow we'll meet again with a new shloka. Until then, goodbye. Hare Krishna.